So the second problem is string repeat. So you are given a string as consisting of lowercase English letters. You have to generate a new expanded string where each character in S repeats equal to its first index occurrence. Your task is to find and return a string formatted as described. The character should be separated by hyphens in the output. So just a simple thing that is, so you are given a string input that is a-b-c-a-b-a. So we have to find the each element which is non-repeated one and its first index. For example, here we see all the unique characters are only three here. That is A, B, C. So A repeated it three times, A repeated as three times, B repeat as two times, and C as a single time. So we want that A first occurrence, we want that B first occurrence, C first occurrence. That means A occurrence first as index 0. So and B occurrence at index 1 firstly, and C occurred at index 0, 1, 2 firstly. So in this way, how many times the index occurred as firstly, simply a C, A repeated index 1. Uh, they said assume it as 1 based indexing, not 0 based indexing. So simply in programming, we write it as 0 based index. We just add it as 1 plus 1 to it. It will become as index 1 base indexing. So index 1, we have 1, repeat 1 times. See it here, 1. For B index 2, it repeated as 2 times, and C it index 3, it repeats as 3 times. And you have that doubt that A is at fourth index, we have to repeat it as 4, but not. It repeated as a single time. So that means A is first occurred at index 1. So that's why A in fourth index also repeated it as one time only. Same to the B, first occurred at the index 2. That is the value that many or that much of that many times we have to repeat the value. So we repeat two times BB, and the for also first occurred at the index 1. So we repeat as 1. So every repetitions we differentiate separated by the hyphen symbol. So that's the problem. I hope you understand the question well. So let's see the Java code. So simple, we have to take the input. So we need to, again, I'm telling it, we need to create an object for the scanner class in order to take the input from the user. So simple input. So let us see the input format. A string is consisting of lowercase English letters. So I assume the test cases will be on lower cases only. So that's why I didn't check whether it is a lowercase or uppercase. So I simply take the string, and here is the main thing. Here is the key role that I created an hash map which consisting the key and value. Key is the character type and value is the integer type. So that means I'm storing the first occurred index, that is integer value, to the character. So that means simply A occurred at the index 1 position, B occurred at index 2 position, C occurred at index 3 position, right? In last test case. So I'm finding the first occurrence of all characters in a string. So simply I'm doing it using for loop. So iterating to the string. So I check whether the character is already present in the hash map. If not contains, so I simply put the character with the one base indexing. So in the question, it tells that one base indexing, right? So we are using it as zero base indexing generally in the programming. So I add plus one to it. So that many times we have to repeat that particular character whenever we add it to the result. So I hope you guys understand this block of code. So here simply we are just calculating the first occurrence of every character in a string. So next we have to again we iterating to the string. So we are getting that string. at that particular character. We need to discuss uh, this one. So generally in Java, string is not a data type here. It is a class. We create an object for it. That's why we have class s dot character method. So to find the character at this index position, that is I. So every time we are finding the character at that position I. So that position of I. So that is key value. So in the by this key value, we are finding it is easy to find the uh, key value in the hash map. That's why I named it as key and the value. So by using this key, I got the value. That is value, which is the first occurrence, right? So this many times I have to repeat that particular key value or uh, that particular character at that position. So okay, I hope you understand. So I hope you understand that. So that I need to create a one more block that's 0 to val. So val is the first occurrence. That many times I need to repeat it. That means I need to add that particular string to this resultant. Okay. So I add val times. That means value times. I got it from the hash map, which I already stored by using this block. That is the first occurrence. So simply I store it at resultant and I add plus symbol. Sorry, I add hyphen symbol after completing. So these repetitions. Again, I got B value to the key. So B is at the second position. So I need to add two times to the resultant and again minus. So why I need to write this if block? So whenever the I is the last index, that time also we got hyphen to the resultant. So you see in result output, there is no hyphen at last. It's ends empty, right? So I solve that problem using this if block. So if I is the last index, if I is not a last index, I simply add hyphen. If I is the last index, I don't need to add this hyphen to the resultant. So I simply print the result. So this is the simple code for this question. So I hope you understand all the block. So the people who are coming or who are migrating from Python to Java, they need to focus on the syntax first. They need to focus on how to take inputs from the user, uh, from the using scanner and different types of syntax we are using in previous problem and this problem. So we are using hash map. This is the hash map syntax. So in this hash map, you have contains key method. So in hash map, we need to we have an option to put into the hash map by using key and a value. So again, here you see put and here is the get. We can get the values by using key value. HM is the object created to the hash map. Simply using get, we create the key. I hope you understand the hash map also here. Okay, thank you.